Hi friends, today we'll see how you can clean tough grime and stains that are on your countertop stove which you were not able to clean with the regular cleaners. You can see here there is a lot of hard stain which I was not able to clean with any of the regular cleaners that I bought from the store. So what you could do, take a screwdriver with the flat end and kind of scrape off the tough grime that is on the countertop. Hold it in an angle and just start scraping. Make sure that the edges don't cause any scratches onto the top of the countertop. So continue doing it until you can see the smooth surface of the countertop. Again, make sure that you don't leave any scratch marks. Continue scraping it in an angle. Wipe off the top with the paper towel. You can see the hard grime and the deposits are coming out. See that area that we just cleaned? It is clean and shiny. So what I'm going to do is continue cleaning this entire thing. You can see there is a lot of dirt and stain here. I'm going to take my screwdriver again and continue scraping all the way until it all goes away. Look at this, how clean it becomes. Pretty quick. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.